Hey guys. Hold on, let's wait for more people to come. Welcome to the tier list stream. Hey. This is such a shit song. Wait. Okay, that's not even. Welcome to the tier list stream. Today, we're gonna be look at this. Look at all this. Look at all this. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer. Hold on. For everyone to join in. I don't know how many people are gonna join in, but yay! It looks great, doesn't it? Look at the chat down there. Can you see the chat well? Let me know if there's any problems. So what the fuck? Why is it that big? That's what she said. It's great. Look at this. Hold on. Let's get Fishy in here. I don't know if he can hear this. Yep, looks good. So basically, I'm gonna wait a little bit longer for more people to join in. Oh, Fishy?
Yeah, I'm making a new account.
Okay, what do you think about the tier list?
It's beautiful like you.
God damn. All right, look. Hold on. Getting everything ready. Shee! All right, hold on. All right, so basically. This is me stalling. How was your day? Should I wait longer?
Wait, I'm making a new email.
Holy shit, that is loud. My bad. I mean, I can wait. It's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna start. Basically.
I can hear 2 marks.
Oh, that's incredible. I mean, that's probably not what you want. Hold on, give me 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Okay, I'm back. You probably saw that. All right, let's start. All right, welcome everyone. Woo, everybody clap. Amazing.
Clapping right now.
That's incredible. I'm clapping your dad. All right, so basically, we're doing a tier list stream, right? I think it's only fair. I start this off with a little story. Okay, Fishy, I'm gonna leave the call now.
Well, what?
I'm leaving the call.
Why?
Because I love you.
That's not how it works, but goodbye.
All right. Oh, Gabe texted. You idiot, why'd you start so early? May I call you? I don't know if he's gonna be able to. I am in school. All right, I left the call with Fishy. All right, so basically, I think it's fair. I start this off. I have another camera, by the way, here because this is gonna be a video. All right, I think it's only fair. I start this off with a little story. Hold on. On my internet shit. Fishy, I know you're not in chat, so I'm just gonna have you here. So
Mark, shut up. Please shut up in the stream so I can do it. I'm confused.
Damn, you're a failure.
Shut up, wait. I'm making a new account. It's called Formula One Shay.
Alright. Hold on. Alright, I'll just start. Alright, so basically, I'm gonna start this off with a little story. Because I think it will explain things well. So the other day, I was sitting down with a friend, right? And wait, Fishy, what the? Just send me. Okay, I'm ignoring that. Not gonna even show it on stream. So I was sitting down with a friend, and we were talking about chocolate. I don't remember why, but we were talking about chocolate. And hey, see ya. Okay. So I can't. Whenever I'm streaming, I can't focus on one thing. No candy. No, shut up. All right, let me get back to it. All right. So the other day, I was sitting down with a friend, and we were talking about chocolate, right? I don't know how or why. camera just fell off. Bruh. Alright, hold on. Don't worry. I'm not stalling. You're stalling. I'm not stalling. Holy shit. Wait. Fuck.
Mark.
First of all, if this breaks, it's your guys' fault.
Shit.
There we go. Hey, welcome Formula One, Shay. Okay, that should be good. Don't fall, please. This stream's a mess. How dare you not have followed me from earlier? Anyways, welcome.
Shut up. It's a newly made account. Hello, Mark.
I really hope that camera doesn't fall. I have it hooked up to the... I'm just gonna start again. So anyways, for the third time. So I was sitting down with a friend one day. Once upon a time, I think it was so basically, a couple days ago, I was sitting down with a friend, and for some reason we were talking about chocolate. I don't really remember why. And I said something about Reese's, right? And they looked at me with a really genuine stare, and they said, I don't like Reese's.
They don't like what?
You don't know what Reese's is?
No, I'm not rich. Sorry.
I've left the call. All right. So basically, they said they don't like Reese's, and this flame inside me was just like, you know, I'm not joining back. That was a voice. Fuck. Okay. And so basically, I had this flame ignited inside me that said, I'm gonna make a tier list, right? I'm gonna make a tier list and rate every chocolate, every piece of candy that I could get my hands on, right? And this tier list is there is no better tier list than this one, okay? This is the only correct tier list. Why is he spamming me? Hello, mate.
Oh, no, wait. It's Marky. You.
Okay, I'm gonna get. So basically, I don't remember who this person was. I forgot. But they know who they were. They know who they were. So basically, I will not do an ASMR. Here's the tier list. Woo! Everybody clap. Yeah. Ah, shit, I forgot to... Hold on, before you get to the tier list. There's a box behind me. Fuck, holy shit. Wait, hold on. There's so much candy in this box. There is... You guys ready? Hold on. Oh my god! Holy shit, I'm rating every single one of these. Look at this. Hold on, let me get a good thumbnail picture. This is... Look at this. Let me get a good thumbnail picture. Wait a sec, guys. I gotta get this. This isn't... That's the best thumbnail I could get. Holy shit. Let me just put this on the table. I'm not putting it on the table. It's too big. Alright. I'm coming back. Anyways. That is a lot of candy. That's a shit ton of candy. And I'm rating every single one of this every single piece of candy that I have in here. I even have a Cheerio cereal bar, which doesn't count as candy, but I'm rating it anyway because I had it. Shut up, Sushi Shark. You did not. How dare you get into that? All right. So basically, now that everyone's here, I'm just gonna tell the story again. Welcome everyone, by the way. Guess your most hated candy. The Cheerios aren't even candy. All right. So basically, I already said the story. The phone fell again. You're fucking kidding me. Don't worry, I got it. I should stop hitting the table. Don't worry. Hold on. God, I'm trying. Don't worry. I got it. That should be good. Please tell me that's good. Don't fall down again. That would be cringe. Hello, cringe. I'm gonna stop moving the table now. Alright, I should probably stop hitting the table. I felt something on top of me. What? My phone fell. I'm recording with 2 phones because this is going to be a YouTube video. All right. So, what is happening? Please tell me. All right. I'll just say the story again. Last time, though. Okay? Okay? And then we're going to get into the tier list. So, once upon a time, a few days ago, right? I was... Hello? Yes, hello. Everybody say hello. Okay. So, a few days ago, I was sitting down with a friend. And we were talking about chocolate. I don't remember why, though. And then I brought up Reese's, and they looked at me with a very genuine stare. And they said, I don't like Reese's. How can you... That pissed me off. So I don't... look, I'm not going to point any fingers, okay? And I'm not going to say any names, mostly because I don't remember who it was. But they know who they are. Okay? Yes, Fishy, a flame ignited inside me. So I have a tier list here. Yeah, tier list. And this flame inside me just ignited. And it was like, make a tier list. And this goes out to the person that I was talking to, but I don't remember who I was talking to. So let's just hope they see this. Anyways. So basically, here's the box. Holy shit. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna get diabetes. Holy shit. Shut up, Fishy. This is original. This is very original. All right. Wait. I'll figure out where to start. Hold on. All right. So basically, I'm just gonna pick stuff at random. Open the door. I'm downstairs. Get in here. We're sharing this candy. I'm about to get diabetes. I'm about to get cavities, but that's okay. It's worth it. It's worth every second. I forgot to... It's fine. Who cares? Who cares? All right. So basically, I'm just going to start. I'm going to pick one random one. Let's start with Galaxy. All right. Hold on. So, Galaxy. Let me just say. I like Galaxy, right? But too many people like this chocolate. It's not that good. Okay, it's not that good. No. It's not that good. Okay, it's just the chocolate. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. I feel like too many people like this one. Wait, hold on. It's not even that good. I'm about to show my hatred. My hatred for. I hate it so much. I'm voice cracking. Look, I like this chocolate, but too many people like this chocolate and it pisses me off. It's just it's fine. You know what? C tier chocolate. My mouse broke. C tier chocolate. It's fine. It's fine. It's right in the middle. It's a base tier chocolate. It's not that good, but it's not that bad. Actually, it's kind of good. It's fine. It's fine. All right. The next chocolate on this list is too bueno. I'll just tell you right now. I fucking love this chocolate. No, I'm gonna disrespect Galaxy. I don't like Galaxy. It's not the pinnacle. Shut up. See, too many people like... I'm gonna go shoot that thing. Just move on to the bueno. I like bueno. Okay? I like bueno. I'm gonna eat this bueno. Hold on. Bueno is a good... I prefer the white bueno, to be honest. But this one's pretty decent, you know? S tier? S tier. People in chat are saying S tier. Bueno is S tier. Hold on, let me have a bite of this. I have a bite of 87. S tier. S tier. There it goes. Up there. S tier. It's just up there. It's just up there. I just like throwing shit. All right. Anyways. So, the next chocolate. I feel like I'm going too fast. What do you guys think? Based? No. Shut up, Fishy. Bueno is not a D. Not you guys. Look, look. This tier list. No one in chat is saying S. Everybody's saying S. There's like at least one S in chat. You see it up there. Look, I like Bueno, okay? Fine. Also, hold on. Well, which one should we do next? Milka? You guys want Milka? S or I'll beat you? It's S. I put it at S. I'll put it at S. Milka. All right, all right. No, we're doing the original Milka. Hold on, let me find it. So this package has been eaten, but Milka, it's a chocolate. All right, it is a chocolate. Oh, I haven't even eaten Milka. My phone stopped recording. What the fuck? Darkness is called, bruh. My phone stopped recording because Darkness started calling me. No, stop calling me. God damn it. All right, I'll just turn off my Wi-Fi. It's fine. I know how to combat this. They call me Mr. XD because I'm good at stuff. Damn it, Darkness. Don't worry, I'll put it back. I'll put it back. You good? You good? Look good. I look good. Yep, that's good. All right, I'm coming back. I apologize for that. Giving Galaxy C, that's unforgivable. Look, I'm gonna be honest with you. Yes. Yes, hello.
Mark, you stupid fucking bitch. How dare you put Galaxy on C? It should be at least on A or B.
Too many people like Galaxy. Too many people like Galaxy.
I like Galaxy and you should like Galaxy as much as people do.
I like Galaxy. It's just I wouldn't. Okay, look, I'm gonna be honest. I would not buy a Galaxy bar.
I would buy it. I buy it every day. I buy it every day whenever I go to school as a breakfast.
Look, Galaxy bar is it's good, right? But it's not something I would buy. You know, it's a Bueno right here.
It's literally that cheap. What do you mean?
Shut up. Okay. Now that the bad opinion. I thought I left the call. What the fuck?
Put it on.
Now that the bad opinions have been silenced, let's move on. Let's move on. What do we have next? M&Ms. Let's do M&Ms. Okay. M&Ms. You can't go wrong with M&Ms. Look at these. Look at these. They're M&Ms. I like M&Ms. That's all I could say about. Look, I could only get the peanut ones, but that's alright, cause they're just as good. Hold on, let me have a bite of these. M&Ms are like. What are M&Ms? If you don't finish, feed me some. Bueno is a prime example of negative effects of global industry. In these nuts. And anyways, M&Ms are a solid A. M&Ms are a solid A. I would say, look, M&Ms are like. They're good. They're not bad. They're really good. I'm a big M&M's fan. And because of that. Actually, wait, let's. Like, I don't actually have the. It's a fucking blocky if you put Galaxy to C. F 100%. You don't like M&Ms? M&Ms are good. M&Ms are good. Look, I'm gonna put the original M&Ms at a B because they're pretty good chocolate. Okay, and the ones that I just had, C. They're a mid-tier chocolate. They're good, but there's better. I think there's better. M&Ms are good, but with peanuts, I'd put it on C2. I'd put it on C2. All right, next. Haribos. I don't actually have Haribos with me. Now the reason is because my teeth are sensitive and I don't know why, but every time I eat Haribos, I feel like I'm in hell. It hurts. But I know from what I remember, Haribos are pretty good. So I'm just gonna, I'm gonna, D for D's nuts. Pretty good. What is happening in chat? No, if you watch Marky Pews, you are not wasting time, you're investing time. It's all right, guys. Calm down. All right, next. Look. Should we do nerds? We're doing nerds. Nerds, they're good. Hold on. I have watermelon and cherry here. Hold on. Hold on, mates. All right. Haribos Haram, I hate it. I don't know, man. They're good. Nerds. What is there to say about nerds? It's like this sweet. Nerds taste like slushies, and I don't know why. And I like slushies, so nerds get an A. You've never had nerds? Then you're a nerd. A. Nerds are an A. A for nerd. That's how you spell nerd. Must be because Mark's a nerd. All right. Hold on, I want to go get that galaxy. I feel like I should crucify this galaxy. It's okay, wow. What should we do next? No, Sushi, you don't get chocolate. You don't deserve chocolate. All right. Oreos. Let me tell you, the Oreos are so good with milk. Let's go with Hershey's. I'm gonna go with Oreos. I remember when I was a little bit younger, everyone used to do this. I used to take the Oreo, I used to twist it, and then just lick the inside. Everybody did that. On God, if you do any other thing to the Galaxy bar, you're gonna get fucked. Oreos are overrated. I mean, they're good. They're like a good biscuit, you know? You just dip them in milk. They're pretty good. I swear if you hate on Oreos, I will murder you. I like Oreos, so I'm gonna survive this one. Oreos, they get I mean, you can't go wrong with an Oreo, you know? You dip it in milk, you eat it, it's an Oreo. What do you guys think? A tier? I feel like Oreos are a B. No, Oreos are an A. No, wait. Oh no, I'm gonna have to take a bite of this. I don't remember what an Oreo tastes like. C, B, S? Everybody has different opinions. Alright, look. I mean, it's good. Look, I remember I used to twist apart the Oreo and eat just the white, which everybody pretty much did that, right? But you know, as I grew older, kind of started to appreciate the chocolate part of it, you know? Goodbye, everybody. I have to leave. Mocha Oreo is S. We'll see. I haven't actually tasted the Mocha Oreo. Put Oreos on S. They're an A. They're an A. I'll go with an A. S. Anything below that is not allowed. I'll give it an A. Oreos are amazing, but you guys seem to really want me to rate Milka Oreos. Wait, I forgot. Oh wait, no, never mind, never mind. I have them. Okay, so first, before I rate Milka Oreos, I'm gonna rate Milka. I forgot to rate Milka. Shit. I forgot to rate the Milka. Look, I forgot to rate the Milka. This is the Milka, I think. I mean, it's alright. This is the Milka. It's just like, I don't know, Milka is good, but I don't feel like it's better than Galaxy, you know? It's just, it's like a D for D's. You know what? No. Milka's an E. You know why? Because it's just not good enough for me. It's just not good. I dropped Oreo in my chair. Alright, hold on. Since we reviewed Milka, Oreo Milka. So you guys in chat just want me to review the Oreo Milka. What do you guys think? Good? Bad? Yeah, Oreo Milkas are the best. Look, Oreo Milka. I've never had this ever. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try an Oreo Milka. The chat's a little salty, but this Oreo Milka is perfect. Woo! It's just alright. You know what? That was pretty good. I'm gonna be honest. I'm putting the Oreo Milka. You know what? Is it good? Do you guys like the Oreo Milka? You know the ice cream guy? The guy that goes, cover all 9,000 taste buds. You know what? Milka is S tier. No. That's true, that's true. I don't know where to put Milka. It's good, but I feel like it's too rich. It's too sweet. Yeah, it's a little too rich. I'm gonna be honest. Milka is an A tier. Hey, welcome, welcome. All right, look, Milka Oreo is A tier. But next is Milka strawberry. I've never had this either. I just don't eat Milka. Milka could go suck a fat dick. Alright, hold on. Stony is tapped? Fuck's it tapped? Alright. Okay, shut up. Okay, I like Galaxy, okay? I like Galaxy, but too many people like it. It's not that good. It's not that good. Okay, look, shut up. Milka strawberry. Shit sucks. It tastes like pudding. You know those little strawberry puddings you get? But worse. No. You know what? No. No. Fine, you guys want me to move the Galaxy? Fine, I'll move the Galaxy. I'll move the Galaxy, guys. I'm sorry, I'll move the Galaxy. F. You guys wanted me to move the Galaxy. No, I've moved it. It's done. It's done. I've moved the Galaxy. I'm getting a call. Yeah, Fishy?
Mark,
Yeah?
you're a menace to society, bro. What is wrong with you?
It's just okay. It's not
It's-
that good.
Hey, it's the best chocolate of all time. It's the pinnacle of chocolate. Something is wrong with you, bro. Like Ibrahim said, someone must have fricked you in the tongue.
Why do you want me to turn off the... I'll turn off the lights. I'll turn off the lights. I'll turn off the... There. Lights off.
We'll take final.
I'll turn
word.
off... I'll turn off the lights. I'll turn off the lights. There you go.
Mark, I'll remember this for the rest of my life.
I'm getting I'm getting messages. Make demon noises now? I will not make
What?
demon noises. They're
Mark.
pissed at me. They're pissed at me. Hold on.
Of course they're pissed at you, bro. You put Galaxy at F, bro. Something is wrong with you. And
Galaxy.
Galaxy is the best, bro. How can you put Bueno at S tier and then have Galaxy at F tier?
Because Bueno is pretty good.
Bueno is garbage, okay? Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, it's B tier, okay? Bueno is nothing compared to Galaxy.
I don't like I don't like opinions that don't match mine, okay? Move Galaxy right now. Might be like, I like water, but too many people like water. It's overrated. Look, I'm gonna put this straight right now. Galaxy is good, but too many people like Galaxy. That's you know what? No more Galaxy. No. How can I'm gonna hang the Galaxy. I'm hanging the Galaxy. The Galaxy's being hanged. Where the hell can I hang this? Alright, hold on. Have any rope? I don't have a rope. No, don't worry. I have a rope. I know where I can get a rope. I got a wire. No. This is what you get. This is what you get. What you guys get? I've hanged the Galaxy. The Galaxy is hanged. It's dead. No more Galaxy. It's gone. Woo! Oh shit! Fuck. Woo! It's dead. It died. The Galaxy died. If you're not racist, put Galaxy at S+. Alright. Okay, so next on the list. Next we've got Jelly Babies. I've heard of these before. That's all I could say about them. Oh, it leaves residue on your hand. What the? It's a child. It's jelly babies. I don't know. I've heard of them once. I've heard of Jelly Babies, and that's it. I put Haribo's at a D tier, okay? Yeah, I'm about to eat a child. I'm gonna be honest. I never thought I'd say this ever in my life. Kids taste good. You could put that any way you want to put it. Just don't put it in a bad way. I like jelly babies. You know what? B tier. B tier. B tier. They're B tier. They're B tier. They're B tier. You know what? I'm gonna make a change. I'm gonna make a change. The Haribos are going at F. You're right. I don't really no E. Let's be fair. No, F. I don't like Haribos that much. It's been a year since I had them. No, Gabe, I physically can't get cancelled. All right, next. I guess we'll just move through the taverns candy. Jelly beans. They're from taverns again. I don't know who who the fuck is Taverners? I have never heard of Taverners, but they exist somehow. I'm gonna try their beans now. Do you think if I throw them, will grow beanstalk? I just want to throw candy. No beanstalk grew. All right. Fuck. What you put in these beans, Taverners? No. Oh, I put the jelly beans up there. My bad. The jelly babies are B. I'm straight in your face. All right, no. The jelly beans, they're a D. They're a D. They're too squishy. Yeah, they sound weird, so they must taste strange. And we're gonna keep going through the list of Taverners because we have. I don't actually have the packaging, but we have the licorice. Okay, look. I'm gonna be honest with you. I've had this before. I've had these before, and they're good. No, they're good. I like licorice. I like licorice. S tier. I like licorice. You don't agree with a single spot? I don't care. I didn't ask for your opinion. This is a good list. Yeah, tell him, Gabe. This is a good list. No. This is the only right list. I know I'm gonna piss people off with this list, okay? I'm gonna piss a lot of people off. And I should be treading lightly here. But I don't give a shit. This is the only good list here. I agree with everything except Buenos and Oreos. Buenos should be up Mark's ass, not an S. All right, you know what? All right, you know what? I'm gonna make a couple of changes. I'm gonna be honest. I do kind of like M&Ms. I'm changing the M&Ms with the Oreos. That's what I'm doing. This is my thing now. All right, next on the list, we've got rid of the Taverners. Weird candy. Did I not rate the... I forgot to rate the strawberry Milka. What? Okay, you know what? Strawberry Milka. I think I rated the wrong Milka. I'm putting it E tier anyway. I'm putting it at E tier. Put the Oreos back up. The Oreos are a B tier. Oreos are a B tier. All right, no. Next on the list. This one's an interesting contender. Honey Nut Cheerio breakfast cereal bar. This isn't a candy bar. It's a cereal bar. But I found it, I picked it up, and I'm racing it. I'm racing this. I don't care. I agree with fish sticks, or it should be C. You're a B tier. We have a lot of... Oh, we're getting a call. I'll answer it in a bit. Cheerios cereal bar. That's pretty good. I'm gonna be honest, that's pretty good. I would say it's a B tier. It's a little weird. You know, obviously, with cereal bars, you know, you're not gonna... There's cereal bars, but you're not gonna... Who eats these for breakfast? Who gets up in the morning and says, you know what? I'm gonna eat a cereal bar today. Oh, Gabe's calling. Oh, Darkness is calling. Hey, Gabe.
Put those Oreos back up right now.
You want the Oreos to go back up?
Yes.
So you're telling me you want the Oreos to go back up?
Yes. How dare you?
So you want these Oreos here to go upwards?
Yes. Hey.
Well,
right
I'm from
now.
Australia, Gabe.
What? What?
They're going up, all right.
Oh. All right. Thank you. Bye.
I'm kidding. No, okay, no. Okay, look. I think Oreos are a B tier. Also, why is Darkness calling me? He's not picking up now. That's fine. That's fine. I think the list is pretty good now, right? The list is pretty good now. Bro, you got to watch out. Gabe might be eating the fucking list. Oh, hold on. Fish is calling me now. Yeah, Fishy, yeah.
Mark,
Yeah?
you gotta watch out. Gabe might eat the freaking list.
He left the call. All right. That's fine. No. I'm pretty content with this list. I would put the galaxy lower, but it no longer exists because of how high it has ascended. It's ascended beyond this mortal realm. So I'm not racist, of course. That's why it happened. Well, I know okay, look, I don't have a Hershey's bar on me right now. I can't rate it. Look. What the fuck is a Milka? Look, I know this entire list was centered around Reese's, and the whole point I did it was because somebody said they didn't like Reese's, but I couldn't actually get my hands on Reese's. So just pretend this is Reese's. Nom nom. I like Reese's. S tier. They're just an S tier. And if you say otherwise, you're wrong. Oh my god, they're calling me again. Yes?
Dude.
Yeah?
What the fuck is wrong with this? Are you trying to make us suffer on the stream? First, you put Galaxy on C, and you put Oreos from A all the way to fucking B. What is wrong with?
I just Oreos are just okay.
At least, why B?
I've left the call. All right. There seems to be an abnormal amount of people telling me that I'm getting more calls. Yeah?
How do you not get a Reese's? But how do you not?
The whole point of the video was for Reese's, and I didn't get the Reese's.
How does that even happen?
I don't know. It just kind of happened.
You, Mark, and the Hershey too. Are you serious right now?
It's fine. Look, all right. I'm gonna go ahead and make some changes to the list because there is an influx of people telling me they like Oreos. Fuck Oreos. Fuck them. Go to hell, guys. You guys, they're not even that good. All right, they're just okay. Chat is silent. I think I killed them. Well. Alright, well, I think we're pretty much done with this, right? I think we're done. Let me check my box. I don't really see any more candy. You're getting punched in the dick, it's confirmed. Oh no. Yes, Darkness.
Why do you want to fuck the Oreos?
What do you wait, hold on.
How dare you fuck the Oreos, man? You're getting cancelled. You're getting cancelled. Literally, fuck you.
I
You put Oreos.
Everybody hates me. All right, well, I think we're done. We're done here. I don't see any more candy. Awesome left. Fuck. Yeah. Wait. I just got a knock on my front door. The fuck? Fuck is this? Oh! What the fuck? My phone fell. Wait. Hold on. My phone keeps falling. Holy shit. What is this? What is this? This is S tier. This is S tier. It's S tier. This is perfect. Oh. Would you look at that? It's not even candy. No. There you go. No, what the fucking chat. Well, seems to be a little bit of a mess here. Mark likes sausages a little too much. Done with this shit, I'm done. Oh, look at that. I've got just no. Guys, the galaxy is in the heavens right now. I've given it S plus. Okay, it's okay. I'm not racist. I swear. I'm not racist. I swear. Let me check. There's nothing important on my desk. I'm gonna unmount my camera. Holy shit. I think I made a mess. Well, guys, thank you for watching. I think that was rate my mom. Thank you guys for watching. Did I put this back? Hey, look, it's me. My phone has fallen so many times, by the way. Well, thank you guys for watching. That was great. Amazing stream. I made a bit of a mess. No, fuck you for giving us this experience. I'm fuming. I'm gonna call his mom. Don't do that. Don't do that. He has her number. Ah, fuck. It's a good list, guys. Come on, be nice, play nice. This is the list right here. This is the only list that should exist. No other list should exist other than this one. Well, let me get someone in call. Hey, Gabe.
Hello, Mikey Pews.
What do you think? What do you think about the list?
Oh, fuck you. That's what I think.
He left the call. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you all for watching this. It was great. Great time, huh? Great time. Let me just... I had this taped onto my monitor so I could hold my phone. Holy shit. Thank you guys for watching. It was great. Great tier list. I'm gonna have to go clean up now. I would show you guys my desk, but the galaxy is still hanging there. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go take a shit. I love you guys. Actually, wait, hold on. Let's raid someone. Let's raid someone. Let's raid someone. Should we raid someone? I'm gonna raid someone. I'm gonna go ahead and raid someone. Let's see who we can get here. Hope we get diabetes, you prick. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts so bad right now. I just had so much candy. Hold on a second. I'm gonna raid someone. The list is going down. Wait, hold on. I'm looking for someone. I'm going to raid. Play the song I sent you before raid. Song you sent me before raid. See this. Incredible. I'm gonna raid this man I just found. B Mace. This guy's cool. This guy's cool. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna raid. Alright. There you go. Alright. Well, thank you all for watching. This was a great stream. Really was. Goodbye, Mark. You left me pissed at AF still. Well, I love you. I'm gonna go take a shit. All right, see you guys.